वेर्णा वाठारांत रस्त्यार येरादारींत ट्रक आडकळ हाडून अपघात जावपाक लागल्यात. देखून वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रीज असोसिएशनान वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटींत ट्रक टर्मिनलाक सुवात तयार करून दितले अशें सांगलां. ते भायर सगळ्यो साधन सुविधा मेळोवन दितले अशें उद्देग संघटनेच्या अध्यक्षान वेर्णा येरादारी पुलीस कॅबिनाच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्यात सांगलें. आयकयात.
वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल असोसिएशनान आयज जे ट्रॅफिक पुलीस जे रस्त्यार ड्युटीक आसता तेंच्या खातीर आयज हांगा हे कॅबिन दिल्ले आसा आनी हे कॅबिनान टॉयलेट जावं रेस्टिंग रूम सगळे आसा जेणे करून एक ट्रॅफिक पुलीस जे सपोज वताक रावता तेंच्या खातीर रेस्टिंग टायम मेळचो. दुसरें सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेट ही ओल्डस्ट स्टेट आहा आनी ह्या इंडस्ट्रीन आयज ठरयल्लें आसा की हांगा ट्रक टर्मिनल जे पार्किंग टर्मिनल जाय जे रस्त्याचेर अख्खे आमी हायवेक पळयतात की ट्रक रावल्ले असतात आनी त्याच्या खातीर जायते ट्रॅफिक कंजेशन जाता, ट्रॅफिकाक त्रास जाता. त्याच्या खातीर एक ठरयल्लें आहा की एक वेर्णा इंडस्ट्रीटीन एक पार्किंगे खातीर ट्रक टर्मिनल करतले आनी तांकां थिंगा कॅन्टीन फेसिलिटी आनी बाकी टॉयलेट फेसिलिटी सगळे फेसिलिटी दितले जेणे करून बाकी लोकांक जे ट्रॅफिका खातीर कंजेशन जाताले एज वेल एज जे ट्रक्स जाताले तेंच्या ड्रायव्हरांक त्रास जाताले हे जावचे ना.
Environment for police here is really phenomenal, and they were really kind of getting scorched in the hot heat. So over a discussion with the Vasco traffic PI, this idea of a small cabin came into mind. And when I just posted, they then, like Mr. Somaya said, the senior Somaya, Mr. Chandresh, he immediately said, I will do it. And within about 1.5 months, this whole project has taken ground.
So this is one of the initiatives, and one major thing we want to take up is the truck terminal part. Right now we don't have a space in industrial estate at that, but we have been talking to Komudati people, and we are planning to have a full-fledged truck terminal with total amenities what just now Moses has spoken, with the amenities like their canteen, their restroom, they can take a bath or they can charge their cargo there. So this kind of thing, and it will generate a lot of employment for the local community.
Very supportive. In fact, they have also taken up and identified a place somewhere along that side to my left for setting up a truck terminal, because we don't have place for these trucks to halt. You need a truck terminal with amenities as well, so that drivers take a rest also. There are times when we have to halt the traffic when road construction is going on all that, but we do not know where to halt them. We have to halt them by the roadside. Then sometimes these trucks carry perishable goods. In fact, when the Atal Setu, both wings were under repairs, we had to halt heavy traffic, and we used to leave them at night. Problem was perishable. When they were carrying fish and all, the stuff used to get spoiled, and there were complaints. So then we started slightly increasing the time for the truckers, because they also should suffer a loss.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खणगांवकर आनी संगीता ओली.